Hello, gentlemen. Martin Szreter, 5th of February 2025. After a big dump, let's have a look what's the situation today in Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum, and everything we need to know. So, first, that's how the chart looks like for Bitcoin in the 30-minute time frame. From 91K, we are stabilizing at the area of 97, so which is still below 100K. 100K is important. Ethereum looks just crazy, and the candle we had here, it's just awesome. But 2000, but anyway, that's the situation. So what do we expect? A little bit maybe below, but I mean, everyone I think expect a little bit bounce back, right? And why? Because of the liquidity. Look what happened basically. We went so straight downwards. We liquidated everyone we could liquidate. Everyone who had open a position for it got liquidated basically. So now, where's the liquidity? Just make some shorters, maybe have a pain. Okay, this candle also looks very green and very good, so it may be really the bottom for ETH. So keep open the positions, and yeah, let's see what we saw as the next few months. And basically that's the plan. I'm also opening the positions one more time and waiting for the next few weeks and months to see what will happen. I really don't think we could go below this week. So this week is a good equivalent of what could happen and the worst case scenario, and we shouldn't see it again. So yeah, that's our stop loss. Then if we go to the liquidity of Bitcoin, we have a lot of liquidity at 96,300, basically 96K, which can be taken in 1 week. This is just Bitcoin, so it can do everything it wish, but that's how it looks like. So in terms of the liquidation, plenty of traders liquidated as usually, but still much less what happened before, right? Like a lot of people gave up and just got liquidated, so they lost a lot of money. Even stop losses hit means you lost money, right? So that's exactly what happened. Altcoins are oversold. Altcoin season still 49. That's crazy how it looks like, but that's how it looks like. And this is important chart, which maybe is not that clear from here, but yeah, look, Bitcoin on the daily time frame looks how it looks. US 500, that's the key we need to monitor. How is bouncing back. So yeah, usually our crypto markets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are following up what's happened to US 500. Okay, so that's what we could definitely expect. Basically copy paste from US 500. Here is the chart from others, and that's how it looks like. Others are still consolidating. Yeah, because not every time you get destroyed, so they have why to consolidate. But basically 330 was a previous support, became a new resistance. So we may expect at least the test of the previous support resistance very soon, which means bounce back. And that's what I also expect. In terms of the timing, halving, again, we are just in the middle. So yeah, such COVID crashes happen from time to time, and that's what we just evidence. So yeah, shit happens, guys. In terms of the top of the cycle, no, we are not yet in the top. We are just the beginning. So for Bitcoin, you can still do 100x in the next 20 years. So keep buying and chill out. Sleep well, have fun, and be happy. Heat map green, amazing. Bitcoin balance on exchanges, exactly as you see, it's an all-time low. And yeah, let's keep it like this. Candles look like this. Okay, now when we compare Bitcoin to gold ETF, this is how the situation is. So basically, this is where we are, and this is where we go. 1 million in the next 5 years. It is possible, but nothing is for free. So first we need to get liquidated to go there, and that looks like this the story. But to be serious, these pullbacks happens every time. Every pull run, we have a pullbacks to take out of the positions, big guys, okay, big traders as well. The stop losses are hit, damage is done, and then yeah, that's how it looks like. Ethereum on 12 and 6 month candles looks decent, really decent. And once it bounce back, it will bounce hard. And exactly the same like 𝐒𝐿. To me, Ethereum is a play game from 𝐒𝐿. You know what happened to 𝐒𝐿. I will show you in a second. So Ethereum monthly chart, no surprise. I mean, now it's no surprise. It was surprise. Ethereum to Bitcoin, I have another chart prepared for this purpose. I will show in a sec. And Bitcoin dominance, yeah, it broke above, which could happen, right? We saw it before here. here, yeah, we are much farther from the timing perspective. We passed this time. We are like here. But is it surprise? Like I was already doing scenario 1, scenario 2, so no surprise. I mean, we never know, right? You can still be bearish here for Bitcoin's dominance and bullish for altcoins. You have a reason behind it. It could happen. It could, and you are not here, right? You are here. It was a logical decision, but yeah, no, there is a lot of volume going just to Bitcoin, so that's exactly what happened, and I think it's exactly reflecting the situation of market. That's the chart I wanted to show you, which is showing Ethereum dominance. That's how it looks like when you put the line chart. We are just at 10%, and we were there for many times before, okay? Basically from November 18 to June 20, almost 2 years, consolidating here, and the same above, right? So we can analyze different things differently as always, but that's how it looks like. So if you would like say how long time Bitcoin stayed in this time frame was like basically 2 years. So at the top we spent also like 2 years, right? 2 years here, 2 years there. So what? 2 years at the bottom maybe right now. What do you think, guys? So next bounce 2027. Let's be dramatic, but this is scenario that, do you agree? There can be such possibility. Why not? There's so much money coming to Bitcoin, so why we need to have art season now? I don't know. Everything is crazy, but let's have a few scenarios here. It looks like the most important things in trading actually afterwards. Bitcoin dominance we saw. Let me delete it. It's not a professional really. We discussed. I don't know why it's twice. Ethereum to Bitcoin. Yeah, it has crashed, and we saw such crashes before. Okay, so like here, for example. So nothing else. Let's just monitor it, guys, closely. At some point we go higher. It's just the question when, which is the key question. But that's how it is. XRP. This is the chart I wanted to show you. So look at XRP, how much time it took to consolidate. But once it bounced back, it was hard, right? It was hard. It's just the market cap here, but the price did multiply, right? 3-5 times in few days. So that's exactly what can happen to Ethereum. Nothing for years, months, but once it breaks, you will not catch it. And the name of this is squeeze short. So yeah, in terms of the Bitcoin cycle lows, the red is where we are, and the orange is the eras 2, which is very similar to. So yeah, we are a little bit surprised by this dump. But come on, no one expected to be exactly perfect the same. It never is. But in any case, that's what's coming next. Only up for Bitcoin. In terms of the rainbow, 300K, stock to income, stock to 300, 400K, Bitcoin ETFs inflows, green bars, Ethereum. Wow, and that's the big one. That's a lot of volume. Big inflow to Ethereum. Ethereum got crashed. I make a photo. I need to post it. That's a big news. That's a big news. That's a great volumes back to ETH. We should bounce very next days, tomorrow or the after tomorrow, end of this week, at least to have a week up and see what happened. Bitcoin on Google looks good. Here we discussed minus 18% was minus 25. Bitcoin number 7. And all the rest is fine, guys. So that is everything for today. Thanks a lot for listening, and talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.